How to efficiently use the shortcuts on NineFocus. Welcome to this shortcuts video. Let's start by explaining the concept of a task. A task is a single execution of a method. Some parameters like sample IDs are set for each execution of a method separately and are called task parameters. Other parameters are always the same for a given method. For example, pull down the method list and select pH calibration to create a new task. This will open the task preparation screen. Here you'll see the Create Task button. Clicking this button initiates the calibration process. For now, let's navigate back to the home screen. Now, shortcuts provide a faster way to start a task. With just one click, you can skip the task preparation step and begin measurement immediately. This can be seen when you click the pHMeasurement shortcut. The measurement starts directly after you ran through the shortcut and you confirmed it. You return to the main screen. Now let's navigate to the hamburger menu located in the top corner. Then select Setup. From there, go to System Settings and finally choose Shortcuts. In the Shortcuts menu, you see the list of all available shortcuts. Click on the shortcut to edit its position. On the screen, you can see the position of your shortcut in green and the occupied positions in gray. Simply click on any empty position to move the shortcut there. Press Save and press the house icon. Now let's explore a quicker way to access a shortcut. Press and hold the desired shortcut for a moment. You'll see several options appear: Go to Method, Shortcut Editor, and Delete. Let's click on Go to Method to see how we can edit this method further. Once in the method editor, you can navigate to Configuration to enter the number of samples. If you want to edit the shortcut before starting it, you can deactivate the immediate start feature if desired. To do that, press and hold on the shortcut and choose Shortcut Editor. Deactivate Immediate Start. Notice that the green circle with the triangle disappeared. Let's navigate back to the screen and run the pHMeasurement shortcut. As you can notice, the task preparation screen appears, giving you the opportunity to edit task parameters. Once you press Start, the task starts. If you'd like to learn more about shortcuts and other features of NineFocus, check out the other videos.